Halloween is just around the corner and I've gone all batty. What am I talking about? Well, stick with me and I'll explain. Let's jump into this together. Welcome to this episode of DIY3DTech.com. In this episode of Design Talk, I'm going to show you how I laser cut a bat box with my Ortur laser, and you can too. Now, this model will be out on the design store for free. You can head out there and grab it. The link will be down below. Now, I'd like to talk a little bit about the design. So the first thing is, the way I started out is I created a bottom piece here, and then what I did is I differenced out a gap along here, and that's what created these, because as you can see, there's a number of these which are glued together. So that's one of the things that resulted in all these bats. So there's a little bit of a bonus when you create something like this, is you get a lot of extra bat cutouts, which are really great for other craft projects. So you can set these aside, save them, create all kinds of stuff, Christmas ornaments, I don't know, if you're into Halloween for Christmas. Anyways, the second piece of this is a top, which is bigger than the base, and I used an offset, and again did the same thing for the top. So what happens is this top, as you can see, has a lip and fits on over top of this base and kind of snap fits, and really is kind of cool. And you can see there's an opening in here. So again, you can paint this. Now, I've sealed this with a clear polyurethane gloss. Makes it very strong and durable. You could probably put, this is one coat on here, and you could probably put a couple coats on here to make it even stronger. You could spray paint it, you could texturize it, you could do a lot of cool stuff with this. So again, I'm having a little bit of fun with this, kind of creating all kinds of stuff. I've got a couple different plans for Thanksgiving and Christmas that you'll see are similar to this. Now, one of the pieces, you can cut out as many as you want of these and make this as tall as you want or as short as you want. So if you only want it to be really short for like notes, that's fine too. You do less of these. I think I did about 6 of these. I can't remember. Something like that. A good number of them, because you saw all the extra bats I had laying around. So with that, this is just a lot of fun. So hopefully I've inspired you to do something like this. This is real easy because, again, you can go into Inkscape or Fusion 360. Fusion 360 is great because you can just use the offset command. I actually designed this in OpenSCAD, again, because it has an offset command, which allowed me to create the base, the interior, and the top really easy. So anyways, hopefully you got some inspiration. If you did, hey, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what other kind of boxes you'd like to see me design and get out on the design store in the comments below. Subscribe is going to be over there. If you're not already subscribed, hit that button. Swag Shop's up there. A lot of cool swag. No bad boxes, though. Just cool swag. And we'll catch you guys in the next video. We design something else cool. Cheers.
Please click like below and subscribe to the channel to keep up to date on all of our projects.